Hey everyone, Shraddha here. So today I'm going to tell you one important topic or say very trending topic. You must have watched a lot of CGI videos people are creating. They are just like it's too cinematic videos kind of thing, and then people are creating a lot of such videos. Maybe someone is flying, like flying in the air, or you must have watched that banner video also, or it can also be that dress rep kind of thing. So banner is any company's logo or banner is converting into dress, and a person or say any celebrity or maybe any model is wearing it and then walking doing a damn walk. So these kind of videos are so trending these days. So I'm going to tell you in the most simplest way how to create these kind of videos for free. For like you need not to spend a single penny for it. Okay, firstly I'll tell you. Okay, so for ChatGPT, for script writing I'll use ChatGPT, that you can get for free. And for generating image from these kind of ChatGPT script, you can either use ChatGPT itself, or for better results, you can use Google Gemini. And if you are using Google Gemini Pro, see, Pro is not something that you need to pay for especially for Google products. So there is 1 month subscription. If you have multiple mail IDs, you can just get Pro for 1 month from one mail ID, and in the next month you can try it with another mail ID. Okay, so if you are getting Google Gemini Pro, so you can use that same Gmail account on Flow also. Flow by say like Vio itself. Vio also you'll get it. Flow platform also you can get it. It's Flow is also from Google, and then yeah, even Google Gemini also, it will also be your Pro version of Google Gemini. Okay, so let's just get started with it. Here I'm going to tell. See, I am trying to be someone who does not know how to write any prompts. In the very beginning, I even struggled to come up with better prompts. But even if you don't know how to write prompts, just make ChatGPT understand that I want to create these kind of videos. Send me the best prompt ever. Okay. So here I'm writing. Send me. Okay, let's just try that. There is a banner in maybe there is a banner like something related to banner, company's logo, and then helicopter. We will just try to create something with it. Okay, just let's just do that. So I'm just writing. Send me a prompt where I will I will be the best video creator or editor. You can write anything. I want to cover a video where uh, say Google. Okay, let's just in general we are just using Google. If it's your company's logo, you can just okay, let's just do where you need to use my logo that I am attaching with this. Okay, so I can also try with Google, but let's just make it more say appropriate for the kind of results we are getting. If you want to do it for your company's brand, so what do you need to do? You just need to you can see here attachment right here. Okay, so I'll put logo here. Okay, attaching with it. I want this logo to be okay. We are just writing any random prompt or like any random kind of query, and then ChatGPT will be sending a better prompt to us. I want this logo to put in a say 20 floor building, and then a helicopter will come and take this logo away. Okay, now I'm saying send me the best prompt for this. Okay, so this is very rough kind of prompt that we have given to it. Now here you can see this skyscraper. So that's the right word actually. Okay, now you can see this prompt. What you need to do, you can just copy this. You must have seen video where people used to say that you for any kind of prompt or for prompt so for getting prompt, just comment below. Okay, so they are generating actually prompts from ChatGPT. Now next what we are going to do, either you can now say that I am attaching the logo Here, please create an image. Okay, now as I have already copied the prompt, so I'm just pasting it right here. You can see this. Okay, clicking here, going to add files, and then I'm just going to resend. Then here I'm just writing sums. Sorry for resend. Okay, downloads. I think I'm just writing sums, and here I can see this. Now it has come here. I'm just clicking it right here. So firstly, create an image. Okay, now see, you can also compare the results from ChatGPT and also from Google Gemini. Whatever results you are feeling is better, you can just proceed with the next step. Maybe you can use Google Video. I'll tell you how to use Google Video. You can use Flow. You can use Pixverse also. Pixverse is there. I'll show you what is Pixverse. That's Pixverse. You can see this here. Okay, that's Pixverse. You'll get daily credits, minimum 32. If you are creating a first account, so you'll get maybe 90 something credits, and per video basis, you will be consuming 20 credits per video. Okay, let's just get back here. Let's see. Or here you can do two things. First would be like you can see here, logo is there, so we can create these images in part. First would be a building is there, logo is there. So say this in first image we will be getting this results, and with second prompt you will be getting this result. Third, you can see it like it, then finally it has taken it away, the logo, and just say going away. You can see this. Now I'm just downloading it, and I'll directly go to for view. Actually I have already consumed the credits, it's no more for me today. See, if you have taken Google Pro, then your account ring will be, you can see this Google logo multicolors are there, and for other accounts it's not there. Okay, for for other accounts it's not there. So when you will take Pro, see, you can take Pro for free. What you need to do, you need to use that mail ID that you have not used before to get the Google Pro. Okay, so here if I'll try to create any video, so it won't work for me because I have already consumed today's limit for view, like for Google document here. Now what I'll do, I'll just move here. Maybe I can get into Pixverse because for Pixverse I have already 40 credits left. You can see this. So let's just try this. Okay, firstly let's ask Google Gemini. Okay, okay. We have got the photo actually. Or just let's just do one thing. We are just copying it here, pasting it here. Okay. So for this we need to actually take videos. So let's just get into image thing. Okay, here. Let's just get into this images. Then we need to just select this one. Maybe let's do one thing. I think we have detailed prompt, so we can just cut this window. And instead of putting this, what we can do, we can just select the logo and download. Okay, I need to write source here. Okay, here is the logo. Now let's just see that what kind of results we are getting here. Now you can see earlier it was 40, now 20 left. That is, we are consuming 20 credits per video. So you need to wait for maybe within 1 minute. It will be done. And also for video making, you can also use Veed is also there. Then Higgsfield is, and that's new tool that is so viral these days. You can use Flow. Flow is very good. Like if you are getting just Google say Pro, or Google Gemini Pro, or maybe Flow Pro. So firstly, you just need to, okay. Let's just see this. You can see this. Okay. So this is also good. These kind of videos you can easily make. And if you want to make it in a much better way, so what is the best way is, you can just ask ChatGPT to send you, say we can say that, send me, okay. See here, what I'm doing is, firstly we'll just create a video, sorry, image for this. You can just copy here, copy this, put your logo. I'm just sharing a few steps, then you can do it the way that I have covered just now. It's kind of fast way, but if you want it to happen in a proper way, so it's good if you are just breaking the full video into multiple prompts, and get the images for each prompt firstly. And once you are getting the images, then you can just put those images there. There are people who are what like also doing these kind of steps, that there is a building with a banner, and then finally helicopter comes and just take that logo away. Okay, so you can do in this way also. What you need to do, you just need to break the complete prompt that ChatGPT is sending to you, and then maybe you can do it in 3 to 4 steps. Firstly, we will be getting this, then you need to just select the remaining prompt here. We have selected till this point, I think, far away. Now we are just selecting this much, and this dramatic music rising, this is not required because we are creating images and not a video. So there are a lot of things that you can do. So it's like the more you will be experimenting, the more you will be understanding these tools, how to use it, and maybe you can also come up with more unique prompts, or say results that nobody has explored so far. You must have know about there is a trending thing, that penguin, okay, that lost penguin. So you can also use that thing. You can also compare that penguin, or say connect that penguin with your brand, saying that there are brands that are getting invisible because of bad marketing, and then you can showcase yours. So something like this, you can just relate. And so you can see this. After breaking the full prompt into part, you can see this results. And now what we can do, this we'll send this. So helicopter portion will also be there. And finally, we just need to get into pixels. You can also do after and before images, and ask the tool to convert it in a full video. So yeah, that's the right way. The more you will be exploring it, the more you will be understanding this. I hope this is going to be helpful for many beginners who has no idea about it. And I just wanted to talk about one more thing. So you can see this. So mostly, see, okay. See, when we go here, like here, you can see there your logo here for Gmail ID. Now you can see this dot. Click there, and then you can see this. Where is it? Okay, see, this is Gemini for image generation, and this is bits. This bits is very important, trust me. This is very crucial, very helpful for you. And I think though VO is the thing that is connected to bits, like this bits will be working on the basis of VO. So you can see this. If you'll click on that icon, you will be coming here. Why I have chosen this account, because I have this pro on this account. Okay, so right now I won't be able to create anything because my limit, like, for view today's limit is done. So let's just try something. I'm just clicking, writing this random. I hope that this is not going to work, because I have already consumed the limit of for today. Still, I am just selecting this complete and just getting here. pasting it, and then adding image that we have recently downloaded. Okay, not this one actually. From here, okay, I think we have not downloaded them. Let's just download it. Last one that we have created recently. This one. Let's just download this. Okay. Okay. Done. We can also download this. Okay. I'm just going to select this image here. Okay. And then see what is something that we can get from this, which though I have already consumed the limit, I'm not sure whether it will be done generating it or not. Okay, you can see you have hit your limits for generating videos in bits. So sorry for it. And yes, you can get good results from Pixels also. I've already shown one. You can see this. This is also looking so good. Okay, this is looking so good. You can generate a lot of videos from it. So I hope this is going to be so much helpful for all of you. If you have any issue, just let me know. I'll try to resolve it, or maybe I can also come up with more such videos, more such tools. And for these kind of videos, you need not to pay anything. It's like you need to use video like platforms to say ChatGPT, Google Gemini, and then which flow or Pixwords in a proper flow. So you must have known that where to from where we can get a good script, from where we can get good images, then which tool to use for getting a good video. Once you'll just understand the flow, you can get better results. I hope this is going to be so much helpful for you guys. So yeah, if you like this, please subscribe to the channel, like, comment, share. If you want me to cover that topic, just let me. I will be covering that topic too.